100 sets of twins, and they're going to compete for $250,000. Everyone, go to your cube. Out of these 100 pairs,
मेरे पीछे ट्विस्ट के 100 सेट हैं, शादी के 100, अंकेस्ता के लिए किटी। सब लोग अपने क्यों बजाएं इन 100 जोड़ों में से।
Wow, it's really good. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can translate your video into 130 language with less than 3 minutes. So first you need to going on my video description bar is access. Here I will attach a description. You need to just log in with Gmail. Then you can see this is interface. You will just click on upload video. Then here are two type of method. Number one, click and choose drag and drop your video here, then paste YouTube or Google Drive link. So I choose number one option. Here are on video hub. Okay, this is good. Now this is a project name and number of speakers in this video. You need to select how many people speak in this video. If you have multiple people, just click on multiple, then original language. So I select this video English language. I selected English language. You can see here are the lots of language supported. I really like this software. I want to translate this video into German, Spanish, French, actual purpose German. Then this is a translate option. Just click translate. Then waiting only few seconds. It will be processing right now. Now you can see it's already translate English to German language. If I playing this video here, you can see here are the sentence. If you found any mistake here, you can recorrection here. So if you want to clone the voice, you just click on here, then choose a speaker, then clone your voice. I hope you will able to do this work perfectly. So I want to play this video right now.
Mir sind 100 Garnituren von Twists. Gib mir
It's really good. I really like this video. Now click on just download button. Then if you want to download a video with subtitle, audio and text subtitle, you must need update this plan. But I want to just download translate video. Just click on number one option. It's already downloading right now. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.
मेरे पीछे ट्विस्ट के 100 सेट हैं, शादी के 100, अंकेस्ता के लिए किटी।